Made of stardust.
Haven't you heard of that?
No, you keep going, Ninja, I'm hooked. Tense up or you nearly get kicked in the head or something like that.
Yeah, you know when it's raw. Hey guys, Ninja here. I've got Jace on the table today. He's done himself a little mischief. Little bit of a calf corky, we call it. It's like an impact injury on his calf. So tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so I think it's been actually like more of a repetitive. So I copped a knock about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and then I got another one on the weekend, and I just noticed it hasn't really released off as much, and it's still quite sore. So if I Ninja maybe go down and have a look, you can actually see, like I was standing there and I was saying, oh, it's pretty tight still. And even Leo and Ninja were just looking at it like, yeah, you can see it.
It's
so
right here.
yeah, on that side, on the lateral side of that calf, that lateral
Bit of
gastroc
bruising.
head.
Yeah, a bit
Is
of
there a bit of
bruising.
bruising in there?
I reckon it's bruised through here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there was a bit of swelling. I was must have been leaning on something through that shin area, and I stopped leaning, and then I've noticed there was a big indent of where there was some fluid sitting there. So, yeah. Let's just see what we can do.
So I'm just going to go light for a start, just a broad, just hold it, just sort of see where it's at, and then just try and flush it a little bit. How's that feel?
That feels alright.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be tender, didn't
I thought I was going to be jumping through the roof.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like yesterday it was probably still, because I was trying to do a little bit myself, but it was still pretty tender. But yeah, my game was Saturday and it's now Wednesday, so we've had a bit more time to let it sort of move around. I had lift club last night, so I was training a little bit, so a bit of movement and flow through there probably helped as well.
Still good?
Yeah, that feels alright. Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week. Let's go!
Yeah, I was expecting a lot more there.
Yeah. So it'll enjoy the flush. And so, yeah, what we want to state with this sort of treatment too is the intuition is really important. So Jace was intuitive when he got some treatment just to explore. And you got to go off the feel as well. That's the most important information you can get. Like your body will tell you if it feels like it's too raw and not ready, and it feels like it's damaging things further. But yeah, so we want to enhance healing. We want to get him to perform better and actually get to the start line on Saturday coming up. So yeah, we don't want to damage it and put it back. So yeah, just that's the thing.
Because the body's put those healing mechanisms in place to heal itself properly. So if you're trying to ignore that and like getting smashed in there too early, like you're essentially trying to, or you could be creating more damage because the body's trying to recover itself, and then if you're going in and getting someone to hammer it too early, then yeah, you're just sort of aggravating that area a bit more. So you've got to honour that sort of recovery phase.
Yeah.
It's a bit more tender there, but still feels good. Feels like it needs,
It's enjoying it.
Yeah.
So I just got a line of tension through there I can kind of push into and feel. Got a thumbnail that I didn't cut because I broke my clippers.
Oh,
my fingernail clippers. Yeah, I'm just.
No, I can't feel it, so you're all right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that bit up there. There's a little ball in there behind the knee.
Yeah. All right, I can feel it. So we'll try and flush this through a bit.
When I actually kneel down, like when I've been treating and kneeling down, that's when it's the worst because it's all sort of compressed at the top of that gastroc. So yeah, I could feel it like referring up the hamstring when I kneel down, but so I reckon that's around that area.
Yeah.
Oh, that was it. Just right at the end there.
Keep on going there, or in here, where the gold is. Dig it out for you. Do you know that gold's from outer space?
Here's some knowledge for you. All right, Ninja, you've got me hooked. Tell me, reel me in.
My dad was telling me fucking about gold's come from outer space.
Did you believe him?
And I thought, where the fuck does this come from? It's the first time we've ever spoken like this before. And then I went and, so I started Google searching and, does gold come from the sky? And just, when you start writing these sort of, sentences down, it was actually there. And so the hypothesis was that gold come from two meteorites or something colliding with each other, and all the gold, it comes from outer space. So yeah, there is probably a hypothesis, but I don't know if it does kind of sit in the atmosphere and things like that as well. And yeah, so it's one for you to kind of maybe look up.
Oh,
magic, because there's been a fascination with gold for
quite a while.
A long time. It's been treasure. So yeah, maybe it's from outer space.
Oh.
Yeah. We're all from the stars, aren't we? We're all made of stardust.
We're made of stardust.
Haven't you heard of that?
No. Keep going. I'm hooked. What's this? Is this a conspiracy or is this
I don't know. I think it's just sort of, I've heard that said for a long time.
Good.
But a big part of us is made from the sunlight. So everything's derived from the sun. So yeah, the reason that there's life on Earth is the sun. So yeah, nothing going on without it, type of thing. So yeah, we need the old sun to charge everything up.
Keep us alive.
Keep it alive, yeah. No life without it. Just in there, man, I can feel a bit of a...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's huge.
So we're just sort of working into a few spots. I can kind of, now that I kind of did those initial warm-up ones, you can kind of be a bit more specific.
I reckon even a bit wider.
Wider, yeah.
That way I reckon is where I'm still feeling a bit of... Yeah.
Just there.
Yeah.
Like that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's got a bit of referral going down the shin.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's nice and slow still. That way you kind of pick up everything, going slow. And you're not damaging anything, you're not going trespassing, going somewhere where they don't want you to go. So,
Not going beyond that point.
yeah. So yeah, the body tells you when there's a do not trespass sign, doesn't it? It just gives get fuck off.
Get out of there.
Get out of it.
Or tense up, or you nearly get kicked in the head or something like that.
Yeah, you know when it's raw and it's damaging you further. So yeah, we're just encouraging you to honour what you're feeling, but you kind of need to have some experience too to kind of know what sort of what's what, So yeah, sometimes you might be soft, but sometimes you might be a bit reckless, with your treatment or training or whatever. So yeah, but
You got to find that balance point, don't you? It's
Yeah.
integral of not, as you said, not being soft but not being too hard on yourself and smashing yourself. So yeah.
You gotta learn. So that border.
Challenge and support.
Yeah, that's what D. Martini says. The optimal development occurs on the border of support and challenge. So we need both to get optimal. Evolution. So yeah, you can definitely feel it when you're getting deep tissue treatment. You know what's good and what's disconnected and what's overbearing. So.
Not too bad there now. That's pretty good. Yeah. I reckon maybe just do another palm one and go try and cover a bit more and see how, because then I can be able to tell where, even that very first.
The first bit.
Yeah, there.
All right, I'll just hold that.
That's the bit that behind the knee feels a bit dodgy. Bit more popliteus, is it? Or?
Yeah, it might be the outside popliteus. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that shoots up the hamstring too.
Yeah. I'm just kind of grabbing the leg with the other hand, pulling up, and then pushing down and kind of counterlever. It helps me get a bit more steady and deep.
Yeah. Feels like it's collecting a bit more there, the broader pressure.
Yeah. Oh man, you got to go and get to your next customer, mate.
Yeah, we got to get back to work.
Back to work.
Other version of work, I guess, isn't it?
Yeah, we love it. It's not work for us.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure. Pleasure to be here.
That's right.
Privilege. Watch people heal.
Oh,
Watch them
sorry.
prosper.
This is found a little good spot.
Yeah. You're right.
Anyway, we might finish her off camera.
Yeah.
But yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank
There's
you.
A little
Thanks.
calf treatment for if you get a corky or a knock or a contusion.
Yeah.
There it is.
Like, support, share, whatever, subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.